I have brought to you another Canva video. I can say it is more of a demo of bulk create feature of Canva. I am going to create 300 Insta reels in, let's say, 3 steps, which are easy and free. I can guarantee that the Insta reel which I am going to create will be of high quality. And if you don't believe me, watch this video till the end. I'll be using 3 tools here. I'm going to use Canva for creating reel, ChatGPT to generate 300 exercise codes. I'll have the ChatGPT prompt into the description. You can change it however you like and generate codes on topics which are trending, and then use that to create reels. Let's head over to ChatGPT. I have a prompt ready here. So this prompt is asking ChatGPT to generate 300 quotes to motivate adults to exercise. I want this to be generated in a table format, so it is easy for me to paste in a Canva or in an Excel sheet. So first column, I have asked it to create a quote. Second one is to generate a CTA for me, which I can use to which will be shown in the reel to engage with the viewer, and another column with the relevant hashtags, and one column with relevant YouTube playlist. I realize that the YouTube playlist does not work here in this case because the generated ChatGPT playlist links are not valid ones. So you can ignore this. So let me hit enter here. So it has started generating codes. It is not going to generate 300 codes at once. So I will give you another ChatGPT prompt which will let you generate 300 codes continuously. Once this stops, I'll use that prompt, and I'll give you the same prompt in the description. Okay, it has generated around 10 to 12 codes. I'm going to ask it to create some more. I'm going to ask it to continue generating these codes using this prompt. So I'm asking it to continue generating 300 codes to motivate adults in the table format with earlier specified columns. Hit enter. It will continue from where it had left with under the same topic. So my topic was exercise. So again, you can see the codes are also about exercise, though it is a second prompt. So like this, I have generated around 300 codes. I have listed down all of them here in Excel sheet. I'll be needing this in CSV format, which I can download from here in CSV format. Once codes are ready, head over to the Canva. In here, you have to create a design of type either mobile video or Instagram reel type design. Then search for any motivational reel template for yourself. You can choose any of this. Only I think I have already used one, so I'm going to use that. Okay, so I'm going to use this. It fits right into my topic. So I am going to remove all these distractions. Let me put it here. Then I'm going to remove the square. I suggest if in your template as well, if there is any square like this, remove square or box like this, remove it, so that you don't have to take extra care of not overflowing your codes out of the box. So I'm going to remove this. So while creating codes, I have created CT as well. So I'm going to make another place for myself as CTA. Okay. I will copy the style as this. Just reduce the font size to 24, let's say, and this to 28. Once these two are ready, let's group them together. Group, right click and group. Oh, here it is. Okay. One more thing you have to take care is your flow. Your direction of content is here in this manner, so that the text moves up and text accommodates. Text flow is towards up and down, and it will stay in the center. Same goes with the CT one as well. Okay. Now we are ready to use Canvas feature. So if you have already used bulk create feature, you can see directly on the left panel. Otherwise, go to apps. Okay. Otherwise, go to apps. Here you will see bulk create feature. Since I have already used here, it has come. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to upload CSV. You can upload CSV or enter manually over here. So I'm going to upload CSV because it is a lot of data to be entered manually. Now I'm going to connect columns with the data. So connect this to codes and connect this to CTA. That is all. So I've completed 2 steps. Let's continue for the third one. For this, depending on how many reels you need, I need all of them. And once you have selected, just hit generate. It will take few seconds to generate 300 reels. So it has generated around 300 reels. You can go over all of them one by one and see if everything is all right. I'm sure everything is all right. So everything seems okay to me. Now next step will be to use this reel since all of them are video actually, since we started with the video. Okay, looks perfect to me. So what I can do is, I can take these reels and schedule in Instagram to post them regularly, one day, one reel at one. That is all in this video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.